Hi guys, and welcome to Mike's Tutorials. Today I want to talk a little bit about Cyberlinks PowerDirector. I'm a YouTuber and I upload videos on a regular basis up to YouTube, and for that I need certain pieces of software. One of those pieces of software is a video editor. I'm currently using PowerDirector from Cyberlink, and in the past I've bought the software outright. I've been buying the software. But last year, the middle of last year, I decided to try out PowerDirector 365. So today, we're going to try and decide what's best to do. Is it better to buy the software directly, or is it better to rent? Let's just go over to Cyberlinks PowerDirector internet page, and we'll see what they have to say about it. So here we are, guys, on the internet page. Let's just go to the comparisons and we'll see what they actually say about it themselves, and then I'll tell you what I think. I've been doing this for about 4 years now. I've been using Cyberlink PowerDirector for about 3 of those years, and I do quite like the software. But like I say, I'm trying to decide which is better to buy. So if we go down the list here, we can see we've got the different software versions that they've got here. All right, so I'm just going to be basically looking at the video editors today, the director's suite and stuff like that, and anything to do with working with photographs or anything like that. I'm not really interested in. I'm only going to be talking about the video editing side of things today. Here we've got the lifetime licenses. We've got the 2 versions of the program. We've got Ultra and we've got Ultimate. Basically, the programs are the same. It's just you get different stuff included when you buy them. So if we look at this side, we've got the Ultra for $99.99, and we've got the Ultimate for $129.99. So if we just go down and have a look what you get with those things, you don't get any of this stuff. You don't get any of this stuff, but you do get some free cloud storage. You get 25 GB for a year on both of them. You get pretty much all of the versions are the same on here, same as this stuff down here. You can read through the list, guys, to see what exactly is included in the packs. I'll leave a link in the description to this internet page so that you can go on there yourself and have a proper look. Here's more stuff. 2 things missing here: 4K video editing preview and library preview. They are missing from the Ultra version. And as we get further down the list, we can see you do get a lot of stuff with the programs. It doesn't matter which version you buy, whether it's the 365, the Ultimate, or the Ultra. You do get a lot of stuff included in the package. So once we get down to this section, we can see that there are a few things missing from the Ultra and the Ultimate packages in comparison to the PowerDirector 365. So let's just have a look at a couple of them. Ultimate access to Cyberlink's premium plugin effects for video editing. Then the next one's missing, and then we've got this one: Ultimate access to Cyberlink's AI style packs, and it goes on and goes on and goes on. You can read them yourselves, guys. I will say that even though there's only a few items missing, I mean, you basically got everything. If you go through this, I mean, everything's ticked. You basically got the same on all of the versions. It might not seem like a lot, okay? There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items missing there. It might not seem like a lot, but I can tell you it is quite a lot when you actually look at what you're getting. We'll have a look at it later. We'll go actually into Cyberlinks editor later on, and we'll have a look at what sort of stuff you're going to be missing out on. And it is quite a lot. So if we go back up to the top again and we have a look at the prices, so we've got $99.99 for that one, $129.99 for that one, and for the 365 you've got $4.33 per month. Like I say, in the middle of last year I actually changed I had an older version of PowerDirector Ultimate, and I thought, well, before I buy a new version, because I was looking for a new version of it, I thought I'd take a look at this, and I actually did decide in the end to go for this one. It's $69.99, which is not even true anymore because they've got it on special offer. Let's just have a look. Here we go. It's currently $51.99, which works out to an average of $4.33 a month. If you pay it monthly, it's going to be $19.99. So that is a bit expensive. $19.99 if you pay it monthly. I mean, if you work that out over what you're paying for a year, that's quite a lot of money, and I would not have done this. I would not have done the monthly plan. But for $4.33 a month, you can't really go wrong when you think of all of the extra stuff that you're getting with the program. And like I say, you're getting the Ultimate version, which is the best version which is available. and you're getting a lot of stuff, a lot of extra stuff, and it's costing $4.33 a month. I mean, you don't have to update this program every year. You could use it for a few years without any problems whatsoever. It's just like, if you're a person like me, I like to always be up to date. I hate it when an update comes out for a program and I haven't got it, because I think I'm missing out on something. But now I'm doing this one for $4.33 a month. Any updates that come out, my program automatically gets updated. I've got nothing to do with it. It does it all itself. It does it all automatic. And that's the way I like it. I'm always up to date. So that's peace of mind for me. Let's go into the program itself and we'll have a look. So when you install the software, you'll get Cyberlinks Application Manager, Cyberlink Screen Recorder 2 and Cyberlinks PowerDirector 365. If we just take a look at the Application Manager, I will also say I'm not sponsored by Cyberlink. I've received nothing from Cyberlink for doing this video. This is just something that I wanted to do for you guys. If you are deciding maybe you want to buy a new editor or you want to try a different type of editor, this is just purely information for you guys if you don't know what to do, whether to buy the full package, one-time price, you own it, that's it, or if you want to do renting the 365. So this is the Application Manager. This is the software which keeps everything up to date, and you can also download all the packs and stuff. The only piece of software I'm renting or that I've bought from Cyberlink is the PowerDirector 365 for editing my videos. So these are the packs. These are all of the extra, these are all like filters and special effects and fades and sound effects and stuff. These are all in these packs here. This is not just one item. If you click on any one of these items, like if you click on the Halloween pack, it'll take us to their page and you'll see what you're going to get from the actual Halloween pack. It will cost you $49.99 if you were to buy it. So if you were to buy the ultimate version for $129.99 and you wanted this Halloween pack, it's going to cost you another $49.99 just for the pack. We're getting it. I'm getting it all free. I'm getting it all free. So there's 24 pip templates in there, 12 title templates, 6 particle templates, and 3 menu templates. And like I say, that's just one thing. And as you can see, there are dozens of different packs in here. And as you can see, there's stuff here which I haven't even installed yet. This is stuff which came last week. They are constantly updating this as well. I thought, okay, I'll rent it, we'll be able to use all this free stuff and it'll never change, it'll always be the same. But I've got to say, they really do regularly update the packs and add new packs to it as well. When I first bought the software, I installed all of the packs that they had. You see there's a lot of stuff already installed. Since then, every now and again, there's getting new stuff. I haven't even installed any of this stuff yet. I've got to be careful with the space that I've got on my hard drive because I'm running out of space. It's getting a bit tight, so I'm just picking and choosing what I install now. The music, I haven't installed any of the music. I just take it as I need it because, like I say, space. It's space. But like I say, again, this isn't just one particular. This is just not one file. This is a pack of different things, like you've got dance party, winter sounds, daily life. It's not just music, you've got sound effects in here as well, all different kinds of stuff. If we were to click on one, let's have a look, kitchen sound effects for example. If we just open the folder, you can see all of the different sound effects that you've got which are related to that one particular pack, kitchen sound effects. So yeah, we can hear one if you want, a can crush. Let's just have a listen to one of them. So as you can see, they are quite high quality sound effects and they're all free. They are all free to use in your videos. So that is the Application Manager. Let's just jump in. Let's just jump into the program itself. So here are all of the different, here's all like the holiday packs which you saw, different sections of it, different things which are available. There are a hell of a lot. I mean, when you first start using this program and you're editing a video and you want to put some special effects, you'll spend hours just going through this stuff, looking what's on there. And if you want to say that's pip objects here, we've got particle objects here, we've got text objects here, we've got transition room here. This you got fades and stuff on here. Here's the content. There's just so many. There's just literally so many. And if it's not enough, If it's not enough for you, you can click on this one and you can go back to their internet site, and as you can see, there's a ton more effects, and there's pages of it as well. There's pages of it. There's 161 pages there of different fade effects. I think this is just fades we're on, different filters. So there's absolutely loads to it. We're going to get into this program in later videos. I'm going to show you how to use all of this stuff and how to use the program itself. I will say before I finish this video though, that the main reason I started using Cyberlinks PowerDirector is because of the rendering. This program has got the fastest rendering I've seen in any video editor ever. I've used a few over the years, a few different ones, and the thing is, I don't really know many people. I mean, maybe it's not a well-known program, I don't know. I know it, I've known it for years, but maybe other people out there aren't familiar with PowerDirector. Most of the people I know don't use PowerDirector. I simply changed over to PowerDirector because of the rendering technology. They use, I think it's called Smart Video Rendering Technology, something like that. And I can render a half-an-hour video at 60 frames a second using about 20,000 bits, say 15 minutes. It used to take me about an hour to render my videos, and now I can get it in literally, I think it's under 15 minutes it takes. It's so quick, and it's such a, oh, it's so pleasing to use, it really is. So my verdict for this program, is it worth buying it outright, or is it better to rent? I would say, guys, for the price that they are offering it at for $4.33 a month, I think you can't go wrong. You're having the whole program plus more. You've got this program, what you're paying $129.99 for, plus more. And I mean, does it really matter if you own this program? I mean, you buy this program, I mean, you might even get a hard copy of it. You might even get it on CD. You've got something to hold it in your hand. You've got a hard copy of it. But does that really matter? Once you've installed it on your computer, that CD gets put in a drawer somewhere and it gets forgotten about. And you'll probably never use it again unless you're reinstalling it on your computer. To be perfectly honest, it doesn't make, I don't feel any different that I'm renting it as opposed to when I was buying it. It does not feel any different whatsoever. I've got the program on my computer. It's always there. When I want to use it, it's there. I load it, I use it. And it's always up to date. It doesn't really feel any different from having buying it for $129 or for renting it for $4.33. I feel actually better knowing that my program's always up to date. I'm always going to have the latest version, and I'm getting it for a cheap price. And then plus I can use all of these extra stuff as well, all these extra filters and stuff that they're offering. It's I'm pleased with it, guys. I would definitely recommend it. Definitely recommend it. 3 times I would recommend it, just for the fact that it's got fast rendering technology. Forget all the other stuff. Forget all of that. If you're a YouTuber and you're updating every single day, and sometimes more times a day. I mean, a lot of YouTubers don't just upload once a day. They do maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 times a day. It's a lot of time in the day that you're waiting around for software to catch up. You know, you finished your editing your video, and then you're rendering your video, and you're just waiting for it to render so that you can upload it to YouTube, and then you're waiting again for YouTube. So where you can save time, especially if you do a lot of video editing, I can only recommend this program. All right, guys, that's my opinion on this program. If you've got a different opinion, or if you've got different experiences, or if you use another editor, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Let me know what editors you are using. I probably won't ever change from PowerDirector. Like I say, I've been using it for about 3 years now, and I'm totally happy with the software. I have used other software in the past, but for ease of use, this can do everything that any other piece of software can do. There's nothing that it can't do. So I wouldn't change. I'm going to be sticking with PowerDirector. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please show your support and hit the thumbs up for me. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you along. Until next time, take care, guys. Bye now.